Welcome to the Introduction to Tripformation on the Skoda Fabia III. This video will guide you on how to find and reset trip information in your 2014-2021 Skoda Fabia III. We'll cover Trip A, Trip B, range, and average fuel consumption. These features help you monitor your driving and fuel efficiency. The trip computer is integrated into the instrument cluster and provides real-time data. The instrument cluster displays essential trip data like current trip distance and fuel consumption, making it easy to track your vehicle's performance. Trip A and Trip B are resettable counters that track distance traveled, average speed, and time elapsed on your Skoda Fabia III. Trip A is typically used for current trips. It tracks distance traveled, average speed, and time elapsed. You can reset it when starting a new journey. Trip B is useful for longer journeys or comparisons. It tracks the same metrics as Trip A, but keeps the data separate, allowing you to analyze different driving periods. Knowing how to use Trip A and Trip B helps you track your mileage and driving habits effectively. To locate trip information on the Skoda Fabia III dashboard, start by starting the engine. Then, use the menu or OK button on the steering wheel or dashboard to access the multifunction display. Use the arrow keys to navigate to Trip, where you will find Trip A, Trip B, range, and average consumption data. To reset Trip A or Trip B on your Skoda Fabia III, first select the desired trip in the multifunction display using the menu buttons on your dashboard. Next, locate and press and hold the Reset button, which is often marked with a triangle or circle symbol, for 2 to 3 seconds. Once reset, the display will clear, resetting the distance traveled, average speed, and time elapsed for that specific trip. Remember to always perform resets while the vehicle is stationary to avoid distractions while driving. After a long road trip, reset Trip A to start tracking your daily commute. Monitor the average consumption to see if you can improve your fuel efficiency by adjusting your driving habits. This helps you understand the impact of different driving styles on fuel economy. If the trip computer buttons are unresponsive, first check your car battery for any signs of corrosion or low voltage. Also ensure the ignition is turned on before attempting to access the multifunction display. If problems continue, refer to your Skoda Fabia III owner's manual or visit an authorized service center for professional assistance. Here are some essential tips and best practices for using trip information on your Skoda Fabia III. First, always reset trip data while your vehicle is stationary. This prevents distractions while driving and ensures safe operation of the controls. Second, utilize Trip B for long-term tracking. It's perfect for monitoring monthly mileage or extended journeys, separate from your daily Trip A. Third, regularly check your range estimate. This helps you plan refueling stops and prevents running out of fuel during your drives. Finally, consistently tracking these metrics promotes safer driving habits and more economical fuel use. Regular monitoring can improve your overall vehicle efficiency.